my friends! Hope you are good. Today we're going to draw a cute crocodile. A straight line. And a small half circle. Then a straight line like this. And a little half circle. Straight line and two tiny half circles. And we're going down with the curved line and a straight line again. 2 points for nose and 2 small circles to the eyes. For the mouth, a curved line. Let's add some teeth. Let's add some details. The hand gonna be like this. Now the fingers. Now we're gonna draw a bird above it. The wing gonna be like this. Don't forget the eye and the mouth. The bird is holding an umbrella. Half circle and we're gonna close it from down. Let's add some lines. Clouds and rain. Happy face for the cloud. The second cloud. Let's add some cute chips. Let's start painting. We're done now. Hope you enjoyed. See you in next